This is the Global Podcast Network, where executives and professionals connect, share, and inspire. Stay tuned for the conversations that drive success.
And welcome back to the show. I'm your host, John Starr. And up next, we have the pleasure of talking with Taunita Daniels. Taunita is a mental health counselor, the owner of Restoration Christian Counseling based in Beavercreek, Ohio. So happy to have her here today. Welcome, Taunita, to our show.
Well, thank you for having me. It's my pleasure to be here.
Yeah, ours as well, to have you as our guest. So tell us all about Restoration Christian Counseling, the types of counseling services that you offer, and, you know, how you got started with the center.
Our counseling practice focuses on helping women overcome emotional trauma. Mm-hmm. Our focus is through faith-based counseling and encouragement. I offer mentorship counseling services on a one-on-one basis. Mm-hmm. And I also do some workshops and speaking engagements to kind of encourage and speak about some of the topics like faith after trauma, emotional restoration and forgiveness that'll kind of help these women see that there is that healing is possible. We also do devotionals, and I have some other online resources if they don't want to do one-on-one services, so that they can kind of walk through without, with me having to hold their hand through counseling. Mm-hmm. I make available some online resources for them so that they'll understand that, they don't have to walk through this journey alone.
And what would you say, inspired you to, go into this type of faith-based counseling practice? Was there some experience you had, growing up, or, was it some type of career guidance? What would you say was your inspiration?
My inspiration came from working. I've worn many hats in my career, mm-hmm. But in it, I found my purpose because most of the women would come and looking for someone to talk to and help them through their hardships and their painful situations, whether it was a loss or grief or some personal hardships in their mm-hmm. relationships. And I found myself finding that more rewarding than the career that I was in. So I kind of took the switch and focused more on the mental health career path so that I can focus more on assisting these women through these troubling times.
And on that point, how can our, listeners out there, women, listening to the show, reach out to you if they'd like to seek out your help and services?
My website is restorationchristiancounseling.org. Mm-hmm. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and my local phone number is 937-800-5556. I do face-to-face in the Beavercreek surrounding areas, but I also do virtual services through our telehealth network. So reach out. I'm available. I'm taking new clients, and I will love to help you walk and overcome some of those issues and experience the wholeness and restoration that God has for you.
All right. Well, such a pleasure to have you share your story and the services you offer. I really enjoyed, having you as a guest. I hope you'll come back maybe and talk with us again in the future.
It's been my pleasure.
All right.
Thank you again.
Absolutely. Lots of luck with your practice going forward. You be well. Bye-bye. And to all our listeners, don't go away. We'll be right back after a short break.
This is the Global Podcast Network, where executives and professionals connect, share, and inspire. Stay tuned for the conversations that drive success.